How to check login devices in Facebook. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. In this homepage, click on the menu tab on the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and proceed to Settings. In this page, scroll down to the Security tab, and under that is the Security and Login, so click on that. In here, you will access the data to when you're logged in. You will see the device with its location. If you want to see older history, click on the word See All. You will then be directed to the page where you can see all of the logins that your Facebook account made. Now you can select one, and from here, you can choose to secure the account on that device or log out. But if you want to log out your account from all of the devices, just scroll down to the very bottom and click on Log Out All Sessions. So that is how to check login devices in Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.